Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, today me and Jack are playing in workshop. We are gonna try and start this one up.
Hi.
It's an Volvo Penta Tamp41P. Let's see what we have done so far. We have just hooked the power cable up, and now let's just check the panel and see how many hours it has gone so far. So ignition on, voltage temp.
Yes, and this
And let's
gonna
see.
right.
364.5 hours. So it's basically 150 hours left until it's braked. So it's still brand new. So now it's time to hook up the fuel lines and see if it will turn over. Yeah, so now we are gonna try the system. Jack is pumping. Pumpa lite så hela vägen ner. Kan du hålla slangen så får jag prova? Ja, jag kan se. Yeah, let's try and start it. Yeah, this is the first time we are starting the engine.
We can die.
So it can be a bit funky to start up, and we haven't hooked up the coolant. So if it starts, we're just gonna let it run for a couple of seconds, then turn it off. Hopefully. Jack, ska du vrida på nyckeln?
Va?
Ska du vrida på nyckeln?
Ja.
It started directly. Jack, start it again. Hela vägen. Nej. Därför att vi inte har inte kylvattnet kopplat. Så då kan vi inte köra med den länge. Det kan vi koppla upp nästa gång vi ska starta den. Yeah, now we know it starts up. And yeah, we have a lot of air in the fuel system still. So next time we are gonna start it up, we're gonna hook up the coolant so we can run it a bit more. And let it go up to temperature and so on. And then bleed the fuel lines to the injectors. So yeah, it started up real easy. A lot easier than I thought. But we have a lot of air between the fuel pump and the injectors. And since we didn't hook up the coolant line, I didn't want to run it for a longer period. So next time we are gonna start it up. We are gonna hook up the coolant and bleed it real nice. And yeah, I haven't even the impeller in, so since it's filled with antifreeze, even in the seawater part. So yeah, turned out real nice. A lot easier than I thought. I thought I needed to spend hours of bleeding, but this one was real easy. But yeah, now it works. Now we can push it in the workshop so I can put the dinghy here. And we are gonna do a lot of work to the dinghy this year. Not that it needed, but I'm gonna remodel it or remake it or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's it for today. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you next time.